Greetings, innovators and visionaries of the cosmos. Step on into the Lightvine Creative Labs, where the future of AI artistry meets the legacy of aliens. Today, we're channeling the spirit of James Cameron right here in the laboratory, using Midjourney AI to engineer our own squad of United States Colonial Marines. In this video, I will guide you through my experimental process, harnessing image style references to mold digital art from this masterpiece of film and sci-fi cinema. So saddle up, soldiers, activate your creative scanners, secure your pulse rifles, and let's ride the express elevator to hell. See you on the other side. Okay, first let's check our settings. To access the Midjourney settings, click on the little icon in the upper right that shows 3 stacked lines with tiny circles. And within the settings window, click the landscape button, and then on the left, we will change this to 16:9 aspect ratio. And for the model, we're going to keep the mode as standard. Version will be version 6.1 of Midjourney, and personalization will be off. As far as the aesthetics, we will leave those at default. Stylization will be 100, weirdness 0, variety 0, and speed is set at whatever credits you want to blow. Alrighty, so for a first shot at making some very tough hombres, let's give Midjourney some orders to carry out. Go to your prompt window and let's type science fiction movie scene, gritty and grimy armored colonial marines marching through battered corridor. Okay, here are the images Midjourney came back with. It's a good start, but it's obvious these guys look nothing like the soldiers from the Aliens universe. So let's get into the tactics of this tutorial and add some reference images. One easy way to add a reference image is to drag and drop it from a file window, but for now, we will use Midjourney's built-in features. If you notice this little mountain picture icon thing to the left of the prompt window, that is an image button. Click it, and it shows us our asset page, which is currently empty. You can then, it says select images below, you can then choose a file. And when we click in this window, it'll ask us to upload an image. These are stored on my hard drive, and here I have a collection of images. And you may be asking, where did you get your aliens pictures? Well, I found them from various sources on the web, and I've added a link for you below in the description to be able to use them for yourself as you follow along. So if you'd like to, you can go grab those images, pause the video, and come back when you're ready to go. From your image assets, select an image. And for this one, I'm coming here to check on the Marines crowded in the corridor. Upload that, and here it is. It now shows up in our asset page. We just click that on, and it shows up right there in our prompt. Also, something cool to notice is that Midjourney lets you easily reuse prompts. Move your mouse to the right of the last render we made and hover the mouse over the text. Click the text and it automatically adds it to the prompt window. Frosty would be proud. So now let's smash return and get another render. Now we've got some Colonial Marines here. Good job.
Absolutely badasses!
What the heck? Why did it render asparagus in here? What the heck? When you hover over the picture, you may have noticed there's a few things that pop up. You got X to delete the reference image. You've also got these 3 little icons here underneath it, little bitty ones. What these do is tell Midjourney how to use the image in 3 different ways. The one that looks like a little person is for character reference. The one that looks like a paperclip is used for a style reference. And the one that looks like a little mountain with a sun in it is used for image reference. Let's try each one out and see what the difference is. Click on the little person icon. Let's tell Midjourney to use it as a character reference. Hit return and render the prompt. And we see that Midjourney brings back results that look kind of like the characters in the reference image. Not exactly a Michael Biehn clone, but the likeness is there. Now, let's use this group of Marines image with the paperclip icon. The paperclip tells Midjourney we will use this to reference the style of the photo. Click the clip, and we reload another prompt, and boom, render it. Now we can see many of the styles in the original photo are present, but remixed and arranged in a new way. You can see the lighting's very similar, the corridors, the armor is really looking good, the weapons. Everything's looking much more aliens-like now from that universe, which is what we want. Looking really good. So what else can we have our little squad of Marines do next? Let's gather some other reference images and try these out. This time, we'll grab some real-life Marines and combine those with our images from aliens. This will bring an added bit of realism and authenticity to our scenes. Okay, and with them loaded in, we'll use the actual Marines with their weapons free in a trench. We'll use this image of Hudson and the APC with the team. We got one of Frosty. We've also got Vasquez on point as they went into the corridors in the Aliens movie, and then we've also got him inside the corridor. All right, and we'll put a new prompt in here. This one will read science fiction movie scene, military base damage and destruction, armored Colonial Marines cautiously searching and scanning the area. Right, and here we are, our Marines outside, checking out and scanning the area, damage and destruction, smoke, it's added. Looks like things have really gone on here. There's been a lot of action. Pretty cool looking. What about character consistency? How do we make images that look similar across the board? One solution is to use one image reference for a specific character. For example, let's use Corporal Hicks, Michael Biehn, as a character reference and some other movie stills as only image references. So we add Hicks to our set of reference images and click the little tiny character icon. Nice. He looks good in a firefight. Granted, these don't look exactly like Michael Biehn, but you can see they do look similar in each shot Midjourney has rendered. Let's try Sergeant Apone burning down some chest bursters. Add 4 images to our asset collection. Make sure we've got at least one with a flamethrower in there. Select each one to be used as a character reference. We can adjust our prompt too. Science fiction movie scene, gritty and grimy armored Colonial Marine firing flamethrower. Really cool. These images look so much like Apone. How about Vasquez? El riesgo siempre vive. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What a battle. All right, creative cadets, we've just landed back from our epic xenomorph battles using Midjourney, and now it's time to tuck ourselves in and get some well-deserved hypersleep. You are now equipped to craft your own Colonial Marines straight out of the Aliens universe. Remember, the galaxy of art is vast, but with your style references and an imaginative prompt, you are now the captain of your creative starship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Please leave a comment if you loved or hated the cornbread in the comment section. Please share this video with others, and let's spread our knowledge to build better worlds. Keep exploring, keep creating, and may your art always be out of this world. Catch you on the next warp jump.